What have I done? What? How did I mess up this bad? How did I get here? Like, what is this? What is this? What is wrong with it? How did I mess this up this bad? Please, let us pray. Let us pray. Because this install is officially a dead mission.
Perfect.
Hey y'all, hey boo, hey, congratulations on waking up this morning. You guys, welcome to a new month. And you know, a new month means new hair. And I got this new hair from a local beauty supply store on sale for $30. This is OUTRE Katya wig. Y'all, this was the last wig there, and I was dying for this hair. I don't know what color it's in, but I will put a link down below for the hair that you can get online. Like I said, it was on sale for $30 since it was the final of this hair, but you can more than likely find it online. But before we get into the video, go ahead and hit the subscription button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's get into this video. So to install this wig, we're gonna go ahead and have our Got2b glue free spray, as well as our ORS grip wig gel. And you're gonna need scissors, edge control brush, a regular brush to brush out this hair, because you're gonna need to brush out this hair. This is a yaki texture hair, but besides that, you're all good to go. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys exactly how this wig looks. So on the inside, it has this like fake scalp kind of a thing that they sold in, and it's cool, and I get what the method was and the message was, but the way that is positioned in the wig, there's like this gap between the hairline area and the fake scalp thing. It looks really, really weird on. It was terrible, so I'm gonna cut that out. But this wig does come with two side combs, a back comb, and an adjustable strap, and a regular adjustable strap, so you definitely can secure this wig down. This wig is big head friendly. This wig, I want to emphasize, if you got a big head, if you have dreads, if you have braids under this wig and you want to install it, you can, because this wig is big head friendly. Don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I didn't warn you, because I'm telling you now, this wig is so freaking big. I don't know whose head they were trying to like cater to, but this stuff was huge. So I definitely had to adjust that. But yeah, just to forewarn you, this is definitely big head friendly. But to start off, I'm going to go ahead and take my ORS wig grip gel and just put it on the perimeters of my hair and hairline, and try to sleep back my braids, the intro to my braids, and just get that slick back so it's not showing under the lace or trying to like pull out too much. Because I have so much hair in the front of my head and my hairline is like every which way, it makes it kind of difficult, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So if you got the same problem as me, you have the same problem as me, girl, I feel for you. So I went ahead and put the wig on to show you guys what I was talking about that fake scalp. It's like a really white fake scalp too, so like it's very noticeable. So I don't really get what the method was for this. Like I get it, but at the same time, OUTRE, I see the vision, but babes.
It's awful.
So now I'm gonna show you guys how I cut off that fake scalp thing. So I created like a slight little cut with using my scissors, using one side of my scissors to lift it up so that I can be able to slide through. This will take some time to do. It might take like 10 minutes or so to do. I forgot how long it took me to just cut it off, but you want to go around the perimeters and slowly but surely do it. Do not try not to rip the lace. I repeat, please, baby girl, try not to rip the lace. Now that I'm free from the shackles of this fake scalp, I'm so happy. So, yes, this is what it looks like. I'm just brushing her out because she is yaki texture. She is a yaki texture hair. It does require you to comb and brush through her quite often. It did shed a little bit from me cutting out that fake scalp, but nothing that was like super outrageous. It was kind of bad, but like I've definitely dealt with worse. Now I'm just putting her on to see how she looks without the fake scalp, adjusting her, trying to make sure that like everything looks okay, looks good, and really just trying to figure out how I'm gonna fit this wig on my head because it's so dang big. I'm just like, why is this wig so big? And I'm just trying to see what she looks like on me and which way do I want to style her and everything, and just brushing through her. She's so pretty, you guys. But y'all, look at how much hair was shedding. Oh, it's like bad, but it's not like I've dealt with worse, which is what's crazy. But because of the dye, I believe, because of it being a blonde wig and them having to dye synthetic fibers, it does tend to shed a little bit more. That's what I've noticed. But you know, such is life, you know. But this wig is so cute. I'm already starting to like see the vision, see, okay, I want to have it as a side part, and just playing around with her and just enjoying, you know, how do I want this to go? What am I trying to serve? How am I trying to conquer October? You know? And this is a perfect hair for the fall because like if I'm not going to be blonde, what am I going to be? What am I going to be?
What am I going to do?
To start off the process now, I'm going to go ahead and add in my lace tint spray. You guys have seen this tint spray over and over again. Please, she's my go-to. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray her in there. And as per usual, can y'all guess what happened? Can y'all guess? Because you know I stay on brand. Okay, yes, I oversprayed her. You're correct. You're not wrong. If you guessed, good job. Good job. I did overspray her. But, you know, you guys will see the traumas of my life. You guys are going to see what happens. Just know I'm foreshadowing this for you. But you want to go ahead and just spray as much as you can possibly cover the lace without being excessive. That's my advice for you. Okay? Baby girl is all tinted up. I love how it looks. I love the brown at the bottom transcending into the blonde. It just looks so pretty. And this hair is just looking so pretty. But I'm starting to notice that I oversprayed the lace tint. But besides that, she's so pretty. And now I'm just like taking a look at like how the lace is laying. The ear tabs on this thing was outrageous. I'm just it's because the wig was so big, so like you really have to customize this in a way that would fit your head. Going in to cut off that ear tab because girl, it was not giving. It was doing too much and I needed to free my ear because do you know how terrible lace feels rubbing against your ear? It's horrendous. It's the worst. So I was just doing that and trying to make sure it fit well, and I cut it well because with ear tabs you really gotta be precise so you don't cut too much. And now to show y'all where my trauma began. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see what happened. The tint. The tint. Jesus be offense. So I went ahead and took some more of the ORS wig gel and put it there so that I can be able to lay this lace. But y'all, do y'all see that lace tint just placa on top of my head? It was as if I'm a, you know, who needs enemies? When you are your own enemy of progress. Because why did I put so much wig tint spray? And you would think I would learn by now, but no, I have not learned. Not a thing. I just keep spraying all willy-nilly. But now I'm going to go ahead and take Got2b Freeze Spray to spray it down so that I can get this lace to lay. And it just kept getting worse. It just went from worse to worser.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
You can literally see the sadness in my eyes from realizing I sprayed too much lace tint on this wig. And I knew this was going to mean my work was going to be cut out for me, but it's fine. We're just going to keep on going. So I'm going to double tie it to be able to lay down this lace properly. And I leave this on for like 20 minutes or so, and then I come back to start cutting off the remainder of the lace. This hair has so many ways that you could wear it, and it would be so fire. Like this in a sleep back look, this in a half up, half down look would be super fire. Looking at it now, editing this video, I could have just wiped some of this off instead of doing what I ended up doing to try to fix the problem. But, you know, you live and you learn. I'm definitely going to get this wig again because I really do like her. And maybe in another color or the same color again and reinstall her differently so that I can be able to do this like sleek back look that I like how it looks right here. But now I'm just gonna go in and start cutting the lace. I do like 2 to 3 slits, and then I just slowly go about like cutting it. Make sure you don't cut yourself. And again, like I said, my hairline is kind of woozy, so trying to cut lace is like a whole debacle for me. And yeah, so you want to be careful. You want to go as slow as possible. You want to make sure that you get everything properly done. And just wipe away the excess lace tint because, child, I look crazy. I originally thought of not posting this video because I thought, oh, it's not perfect, it's not good, it's not this, it's not that, I can't post this. But then I realized I need to post this to show you guys. Like, I've been wearing wigs since 2012, and I've been installing lace on my heads for like ever. And even I still mess up. Even I still ruin my wigs to a certain degree and still have traumatic experiences from this because this definitely traumatized me. But I made a couple of mistakes in this video, and that's why I wanted to keep this video up, because installing a wig, learning how to install wigs is definitely a trial and error. You're going to get some wig installs that you do and it's going to be fire, and you're going to be like, bro, I got this. And then there are going to be some wig installs that you're going to do and it's going to end up being a miss, like this one. Like, look, I'm very much traumatized by what I have done because I overcut the lace, I oversprayed the tint. I tried to rush it to a certain degree, rush the cut because I wanted to get it done. It was hot in the bathroom. I was over it. And because of that, I made so many mistakes. And you guys are seeing my mistakes now. And I just want anyone who is just not entering the stage of wearing wigs or is intrigued or whatever the case may be to understand, you're not going to get it right all the time. You're not going to slay and have it be seamless and all of that all of the time, especially not a lot of the time. So do what you can and keep going, because this is all a process and life is all a process. So I want you guys to see my mess ups, because girl, I messed up this dang wig. I messed up this dang wig so bad, but it's fine. We move. So don't give up on your wig journey. Don't give up on your hair journey. Don't give up on just learning a new skill and doing new things, because eventually you'll get better. And even if you become great at it, you'll still have moments where, you know, you mess up a little bit. But yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and cut some edges in here and try to lay some edges. I feel that too. This just was not a great day for me. Everything was going wrong. Life was stressing me out. I was hot. It was just all bad. But it's cool. It's fine, because you guys are going to see at the end, the wig ends up being okay. I end up being okay. No one died. And we move. So, yeah. So to try to save this hair, I was like, listen, we gotta have this blend to a certain degree. We gotta make this look like this was meant to be, or like this is a grading color hair. So I went in and I used my mascara and try to like blacken the hair, the root near where my hairline is, where the lace is, to just try to make it seem like, oh, this is a gradient hair. It has all these colors. And child, I basically made this wig a whole different wig by doing this, but it definitely worked. It saved the day. It saved me from having that, like, child, it just saved me. So if you ever have this kind of a problem, go ahead and use a mascara. I suggest not using as dark of a mascara. If you have like a brownish mascara, I know most people don't have that, but if you do want to get that for backup for situations like these, I definitely suggest getting your mascara or some foundation that's of your skin color that can be used to just like fix this, because child, I'm so glad I just like thought of doing this, because it was looking crazy. It was looking so crazy before. But you guys are going to see how it comes out. Like, I'm going to brush it out and it's going to look like, okay, it settles into it, so it's going to look fine at the end of this. But when I tell y'all, this was traumatic. This was traumatic. But I'm going to get this hair again, though. And I'm going to body it. I might not record because just in case it doesn't go well. But I'm going to get this wig again, though. And I'm going to body it. Okay? But this wig is so fire, you guys. You definitely need it in your life. This wig is definitely fire, you guys. You definitely need it in your life. I 10 out of 10 recommend it. Just make sure you cut it right and don't overspray your lace tint. So, yeah. And this is how you save your wig from the disaster that you create for yourself. Okay? So now I'm just going to go ahead and brush her out. And I go ahead and add some more later on after I like got done filming, more black mascara in different places, so it didn't look as abrupt and as like disconnected from like the black to the brown in the back. So I did add a little bit more black mascara to the rest of the hair, and it ended up working out. A lot of people didn't even realize that I made the mistake, and they were like, oh, your wig is so pretty, oh, your hair is so pretty. So you can always find an outlet. So she's definitely a keeper. She's definitely amazing. I love her. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next one. And let's just hope I do not demolish my head again. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.